Psst, I see dead people. Put it on that beat.
Hey guys, so recently I bought a new camera and I figured why not let's try my hand at vlogging. So I'm in Kelowna right now and oh yeah, it is recording. Yeah, so I am in Kelowna right now, but I'll be traveling to Edmonton in the next week. So yeah, I figured why not try my hand at vlogging. So welcome to my channel. So I'll be posting stuff like things to do when you're abroad, and I am an international student, so I'll be posting a lot of stuff on that as well. So yeah, and I'll always be trying to explore more stuff, try to do adventurous activities. Right now I am kayaking in the Okanagan Lake. So yeah, I guess this is my first vlog. So subscribe if you want to see more adventurous activities, and of course I'll be posting a lot of stuff about international students, mostly stuff you need to do when you go abroad. What else? So day in the life of uni and such type of videos. So yeah, make sure to get subscribed. I'll be constantly posting videos. I'll try to post at least 2 videos every month. And yeah, this is my first vlog. Thanks for watching. Till then, enjoy my kayaking, I guess. Bye bye. Thank you.